So we just bought this piece of shit. It's gonna be so fun. Oh. Yeah.
Clothes, bankrolls, and hoes, you know what I'm saying? Yo, then what, man? What? I'm saying that's what this is all about, right? Clothes, bankrolls, and hoes, you know what I'm saying? Yo, then what, man? What?
Count this money, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, put the grants over there, say, you know what I'm saying? Cause these Jacksons, Washington's go wifey, all that go.
I'm saying that's what this is all about, right? Clothes, bankrolls, and hoes, you know what I'm saying?
Count this money.
So I've been fucking around for it with like half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. And I got this thing running. Like, you can abandon these cars for 50 years or so. They start right up, man. They start right up when you know how they work. Ooh, that smells. Ugh. So this thing runs and drives now, which is kind of amazing. We barely did anything. Whew. It runs and drives. You could literally weld the diff right now and it would be completely driftable, but the rear ends are kind of weak. You can weld them, have some fun with them until they break. Sheesh.
He's on the spectrum as well, man.
Big boy. En als je dan zegt, ja maar dat is niet waar, dan zeg je, ja maar hier is dus wel waar. Nee, is niet waar. Je moet iets voor het uit te lokken. Ja.
I hope he doesn't crash it, because like that will... Oh yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Dude, nice! I didn't think he was gonna do that good already. Just aired up the tires because they were flat as shit. Oh yeah. It's still open diff, so keep that in mind. Echt nice, yo. Dude,
I think you have a problem.